Non-farm payroll data has been released last week. Elon Musk has a clash with Donald Trump, and ADP non-farm data is the worst data last week. We have so many going on in last week. Right now, we are going to focus in this week trading opportunity. Well, before we go into chart, I'm Alex, your technical analyst from FundYourFX. Before we go to chart, please take a note for this message.
We have just released our new community platform which we call FundYourFX Community Hub, and by joining today, you will earn 500 points for free, and by being active in our chat, you will earn some coin too, and by gathering up some coin, you can get a discount and redeem it for the discount for your future funding challenges. So what are you waiting for? Join now today. The link is in description that you can join and earn 500 points for free. And let's get back to the video.
Okay, now we are going to talk what the macro data that you have to keep an eye for. Okay, this week on the Monday we have Japanese GDP. Okay, Japanese GDP forecasted will be depreciate or minus 0.2% from previous 0.6%. If you are trading on the yen pair, you have to keep an eye on this key macro event. On the Wednesday we have core CPI from US. We have 3 CPI released from the US, core CPI month on month, and then CPI year on year, or of course, and the CPI month on month also. On the Thursday we have on the Britain GDP or UK GDP month on month, and the US initial jobless claim, and the last one is the US PPI. The PPI data is going to be a leading indicator for US inflation. The last on Friday is the Euro or the German CPI. Okay, that's pretty much it. Then let's go to the chart. I'm going to talk first at the gold. Okay, the gold structure is still the same like the last week weekly market outlook. The price still moving on the bearish trend or bearish structure. Last we have seen change of character. And then on the non-farm payroll data, the price have another bearish momentum here. This big red candle. Okay, so there is high likely that the gold itself in this week is going to catch the support target, which at around 2,957. Well, will it getting hit in this week? I'm not sure because it's quite low for the 2,957, but that's our final target or potential target for the downside momentum for gold. And next, let's talk about oil. Okay, from oil, I took the US oil. US oil and Brent have the same structure, so I choose the US oil. Okay, the US oil itself, well, the structure itself quite boring because we see in the bigger view, we see that the price itself makes the sideways momentum, but inside the sideways momentum we already have a breakout on the last lower peak. The last lower peak we had breakout, and this is going to be our behavior change. Okay, this is going to be our behavior change. So if you want to trade oil, you have to look at this kind of movement. Okay, behavior change, and then the pullback to the last demand zone. It's your buy entry, but be careful because you want to wait for the price itself rejected valid on the demand zone. Where is the demand zone? The demand zone on here, the last base area here. Okay, you want to see a valid rejection in this area. Okay, good. Then let's go to the Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin. Okay, I'm going to talk in the view of investor, because if you trade Bitcoin, it's going to be easy. If there is a rejection or demand, you just buy it. But for the Bitcoin investor, now the price is catching up or rejecting on the first demand zone on 105,000 until 100,000. It's going to be a good buy. I mean a good buy, not a good buy. A good buy for you. So if you want to average down your position, 105,000, the first cluster or the first demand zone, is going to be good for you to take some of Bitcoin. Okay, then the second one, if you want average down, another average down, 97,875 until 92,995, it's going to be a great average down value on the price. And the last one is pretty strong demand zone, which came at around 86,470 until 83,112. Okay, if you are a Bitcoin investor, our strategy is to average down every moment when the price of Bitcoin rejected nicely on the demand zone that I have provided you here. Okay, that's the plan for Bitcoin. And then let's go to the last pair, which is forex pair. I choose the pound dollar. Okay, on the pound dollar, I choose the 4-hour chart because on the daily chart we haven't seen any good structure. So you want to trade on the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart, the price move a primary on the primary structure. Inside the primary structure, the price makes a minor bullish structure. Here, I analyzed that the price will still moving on the bearish structure. So I've seen that there's a potential of rejection on this demand zone, this previous base formation or base structure. And then if you want to enter right now, or if you want to enter this week, you want to make sure that the price itself break its mother candle body here. Okay. Last week, the price makes an inside bar. Of course, if you want to trade inside bar, you have to wait for the mother candle here, the red one, the mother candle breakout. This one is the bullish harami candle. Okay, so the plan is to wait for the validation. The validation is come from the breakout of the harami mother candle. Okay, here. So if you want to lower on the time frame, you want to see minor structure, you can lower it to the 30 minutes time frame to see a trend alignment, or if there is a track reversal on here, so you can make sure that the trend on 30 minutes time frame, your entry time frame, is aligned on the 4-hour chart. That's the key point if you want to trade on the GBP, USD, or the pound dollar. Okay, we come to the most excited part of this video, is picking up our last week giveaway winner. Okay, let's start. Woo! Let's go. Okay, drum roll please. Okay, wait for the reload comment. Let's pick a winner. And Gray McGill, congratulations, for you are the winner for the last week giveaway. So if you haven't joined our Discord or community hub, please join them, and please share the screenshot of you are the winner of last week market giveaway. Okay, so please contact our admin, say that you are win, and then you can collect evaluation account for free, of course. If you haven't win last week giveaway, don't worry, because in this week also I'm going to give another giveaway. Every week I'm going to give another giveaway. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and of course comment to enter this week giveaway. And I will see you in the next week, so you're probably going to win next week giveaway. Okay, and don't forget that we have a running promotion, a very crazy running promotion. $10 only on all evaluation account from $5,000 until $100,000. You have to pay only $10. And then if you are getting the account ready or you have passed the evaluation, you only have to pay the rest. Okay, that's pretty easy. Okay, so that's our weekly market outlook. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Don't forget it because we have a giveaway. So maybe you are the winner next week. Okay. And don't forget to follow our social media from TikTok and Instagram so you can get notified when I upload another daily market outlook or this kind of weekly market outlook. And thank you all for watching and bye bye.